Allah is watching the suffering Muslims. Allah is watching the sleeping Ummah.
Imagine when your own child suffers. Imagine when you have no food. Imagine when you have no peace. Imagine when you have no family and lost everyone. We should be ashamed of not standing up. We should be ashamed of celebrating our lives. Let's be together what Allah has sent us for. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, all Muslims are brothers and sisters. This is the time to raise your voice against this unjust. Our prayers are with you, Kashmir. Our prayers are with you, Syria. Our prayers are with you, Palestine. Our prayers are with you, Yemen. Our prayers are with you, Gaza. Our prayers are with you, all Muslims who are suffering. We feel the pain you go through. We condemn against all forces who attack on you. But don't forget, Allah is with you. But don't forget, Allah is with you.